I've been really busy making some fantastic drums in stock for our shop and our Etsy shop. Our shop is in Gresham, Oregon at 475 Northeast Burnside Road. Our Etsy shop is gaiasworkshopdrums.etsy.com. They will be for sale until the person that they belong to buys them. So we're going to start with this 10-inch drum. It is a deer spirit drum with the 4 directions handle. Because it's a 10-inch drum, it's going to have a higher resonance because of its small size. But it sounds pretty good. Next up, we have a few 13-inch deer drums. This one is a full wrap with the harmonic shamanic handle. And it sounds like this. This is a 13-inch drum. You can tell the difference between the 13 and the 10. It's much deeper. Here's another 13-inch deer drum. This one also has the harmonic shamanic handle, and it is a full wrap. The interesting thing about this drum is that it has the wound where the animal was shot. So this is the exit wound. So if you're working with trauma or recovering from wounds yourself, this is a very, very great drum for you. That's what this one sounds like. And the third 13-inch deer is also a full wrap and harmonic shamanic handle. And it one sounds like this. And getting into the bigger drums, I have a 15-inch horse drum with a scalloped edge. This is a harmonic shamanic as well. This is a very, very thick hide, and it sounds fantastic. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but horse has harmonics above and below the main tone. So it's actually a very complex sound, and it is very, very lovely to hear in person. This one's an 18-inch deer. It has the scallop sides and the harmonic shamanic handle. And listen to the difference between this and the 13. This one is a 20-inch elk on a maple hoop. It is also harmonic shamanic, and I love this drum. Kind of shakes the whole room. And then I have one other style of drum. I don't make these real often, but this is a non-traditional Celtic style bodhrán. It has the crossed wooden handles, painted hoop. It's held on with pegs rather than nails like the regular bodhráns are. So if you're working with the Fae or anything that avoids iron, it's a really excellent drum. This one has a horse rawhide head instead of the goat that you normally see on bodhráns, which is why I call it non-traditional. It comes with a tipper. I cannot play the bodhrán, so I'm not even going to try, but it sounds like this. And that lovely ring, that's the horse. So that's what we have in stock right now. See you next week.